Okay, guys, now let's talk about batch. Batch is one of the amazing features of Nano Banana, and basically it allows you to create character consistency, but also you can process multiple images at one. Um, the first example I will show you, we will create a different variation of the reference image. If we use, like, for example, emotion, we ask to make the model smiling, to be surprised, excited, and confused. It's already set for the number of variation. You have to make sure each word has a comma to separate each other, and it will make the trick. So if you want to do, for example, 8 poses, you will write 8 different emotions, and then you will process 8 images. But let's start with these 4. So you can apply artistic style. We'll leave it like this. The We need to select, of course, the image from the canvas as a reference. So let's create a batch. As you can see, she's smiling. She's surprised. She's excited, and she's confused a bit. But check this out. No other AI engine is able to create this consistency as far as I know. So Nano Banana is an amazing software, amazing model to use, and is really, you can do great things. You can mount them as GIF, as a video to do like stop motion. You can basically experiment a bit with this feature. But now let's do some objects. So for instance, we can add the object, in this case, the cars. Just make sure every time you use the batch, they are separated, the words are separated by comma. In this case, for example, we are not using the reference image. So every picture we will create, they will not have reference. But instead, we will use an artistic style, something like this, 3D render. Okay, just forming to 3D render style with that realistic materials. So number of variation is 4. Let's choose a ratio. Square is fine. Let's start batch it. Ferrari, Maserati, stunning. Check this out. Look the lights. You have depth of field applied. Wow. Watch. And a Jeep. Looks really cool. So now let's clean up this one. We have camera shots. We will use our model. Okay. We place this one. So now what we want to do, basically, we want to add different camera shots. So it's a close-up shot, medium shot, wide shot, aerial view. So let's take again the image reference, and we will create a different type of shoots. So this one we can remove it, original use prompt style, so it's fine. And let's batch it. Wide shot. Sometimes there is a different interpretation. Wide shot, I mean, to be the angle wide shot. This one is aerial, but it's kind of fun because um, the last time I tried the same one, and I want to show you. And it was exactly as the prompt. So compare it to this one it looks more towards the model, the type of output, but instead here it was about the camera. So you have um, the close-up shot, the medium shot. After you have the wide shot and the aerial view. So sometime Google Gemini could give another different interpretation, and it's good because sometime it's better the AI to create something for you, to guide you basically. Okay, now let's create this up. Also, we can change poses. So we can I don't know, say she's standing confidently, sitting, relaxed, walking. But let's do this one. Probably is a bit more interesting. Okay, let's take this one. Let's crank it up to 0. 0. Okay, what I want to do is to change the environment. So we will create the urban street scene, beach scene for a spa city rooftop. Okay, we have the ratio, everything is set. Create a batch. As you can see, it's creating and now it's changing the environment. Urban, the beach, the forest, and the city rooftop. Is basically, as you can see, with the same model, we can create different shots wherever we like, and it's pretty amazing. I mean, it's Nano Banana. Wow, love it.